Draining the mac and cheese. Draining the mac and cheese. If I don't drop all my noodles out. No, I don't know where my strainer is. Don't talk about me. And this broccoli and cheddar cheese, rice and pasta. Shout out to Norris. I love this rice. I had 2 more bags to cook, but I ain't got a pot big enough. Another big pot. I'm using them all. I gotta cut up this cabbage. I'm so late with everything. It's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, but I went to sleep this morning and left my turkey cooking on kind of low. And so I'm getting back up late, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna make my cheese sauce for my mac and cheese. I got some crabs here. I got some off brand. I don't put a certain amount. I think I just pour it until it's thick enough for me. I normally have block cheese too. I may have to go get more cheese, guys, because let me get this little plastic for it because I can't reach anything else right now. See, of course you know that's not thick enough, so you just pour the cheese and cut up block cheese to your liking, to the consistency of what you want it. I mean, either way, it's gonna bake. Once you put the macaroni in a pan, pour the cheese sauce over it, pour more shredded cheese in that, and put it in the oven. It's gonna all bake anyway and melt. Did you just burn yourself, Lonnie? Why would you put your hand right there? I'm gonna pour this in here and I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all see I have Q stirring it for me. Just stirring it up. That's all the shredded cheese you see in there. We're gonna need some more cheese because y'all know I topped mine off with the crust with shredded cheese. And I need some more in here too, preferably block cheese in here to get it thickened up. I'm gonna let that melt for a little bit and we'll see how it turns out. Y'all, Q putting a little block cheese in now. He is making on this. He breaking those pieces in half, but I'm only having them break them in half. Show him in the front of the camera how you break it. Just so it won't take that long for them to melt, but you can put them in there however you want. I had cheese the whole entire time. Sharp cheddar, and I had another bag of the Mexican blend shredded cheese. Alright, y'all, the cheese isn't thick as I wanted it to be, but like I said, it doesn't matter because it's going to bake anyway. So I'm about to put some mac and cheese, and it's been sitting here, so it's kind of clumped up. But it'll get back right once I put it in the pan. I put a layer of macaroni, then I'm going to pour some of the cheese, and another layer of macaroni and some of the cheese, and be repetitive with that until all the macaroni is in the pan. I almost forgot about my eggs, y'all. Put a couple eggs in here. I don't know, maybe 2 more after this. If you want it to stick together like a cake, you can put eggs in it. You don't have to put eggs in it, but I like eggs in mine so it can hold. What's that? What's that? Damn it, Dizzy. I'm gonna have to clean the stove. I'm making a mess. This is so watery, but like I said, it doesn't matter. It's gonna bake and it's gonna be so good. I'm trying to stir it one hand just to show you guys, but you guys know I'm gonna stir it good after I put the camera down. Let me put another layer of macaroni. It's already smelling yummy. Alright, y'all, I had to get another pan because this one got full. So put the rest of my noodles in the pan. I buttered the bottom of the pan. You don't have to do that. And I have tin foil on the bottom because there's a hole in this pan, which I don't know how because it's a brand new pan. And I put 2 eggs in here and 2 little dollop of Daisy sour cream in here. And I'm about to pour some of this cheese. And remember, y'all, I'm gonna top it all off with that's just probably burnt cheese right there. You see that darkness. I'm gonna top it off with the shredded cheese for the crust, and I'll come back once I mix it all up and show y'all. Put more shredded cheese and mac and cheese before we put the crust on it. Mixing it up, make making a big mess, but we'll be all right. Yummy. All right, y'all, I got my bacon frying for my cabbage. And I'm washing some of the cabbage off right now. And I still got more, like another head of cabbage. I got it mostly in here right now. This is the rice, how it turned out. And yeah, that's how it's going so far. I always fry bacon first to flavor. Mostly, sorry y'all, to flavor the cabbage. And then after I wash it, I literally just pick the cabbage up out the thing, put it in the pot. You don't need to add any water. Remember, cabbage makes its own water. It makes its own water when you put it in here. Fill it all the way up to the top. Season it in between. Put some in there, put some seasoning, put some more, put some seasoning. Put the lid on it, let it cook until it's done to your liking. You don't have to use bacon. You can just put this cabbage in there. You can use any type of meat or flavor to season your cabbage. This is just how I've always done it. Alright, and I put my seasoning, some of it in my cabbage. Remember, cabbage shrinks. I still got a lot more to put in here. It's going to shrink. But I went on here to put seasoning halfway through. Because when it's filled up all the way to the top, it's kind of hard to season it all the way through like that. So I fill it up halfway and then season it like that. I got me a couple pieces of bacon right here on the side too. Lonnie, I'm with my phone. Lonnie here washing some of the cabbage. She cut up this for me. Her and her brother cut it up. With me, I don't really care how cabbage is cut up because it's all going to taste the same when you eat it. If it's big pieces, small pieces, Lonnie started cutting it up like she was, it started looking like grains of rice. I was like, Lonnie, okay, they don't need to be that small now. But I let her and Q cut them up, and I always teach my kids how to cook, how to clean food properly and everything else, so they won't never need anyone when they get older, and they would know how to cook and won't be out eating fast food and unhealthy stuff all the time. See guys, the bacon is just for the flavoring, but I leave a few pieces in there, you know, as you can see. And they'll be like they won't be crunchy, of course, once the cabbage is done. But it's basically just for flavor, but I still eat it. I still have all of this cabbage right here to wash. And I'm about to check on my turkey. And then I'll show you guys the finishing touch, I guess, once I fix my plate. So this side of mac and cheese looking so far, y'all. That one back there. My little turkey booty. My little turkey booty. Okay, y'all. Pray for us, because Q about to crack this egg. Go ahead on the side of the bowl. I hope it ain't going to be shells all in the cornbread. Oh, Lord. Can I do it on the counter? Okay, over there. Put both thumbs in the middle of the egg and separate. Let it fall. There you go. Put it back over there, the shell. Do the rest of the other one. Hit it again. Okay. 2 thumbs. There you go. Put it over there before you drop a little piece of shell. Now you're going to eyeball the milk. Hold the milk. Hold the milk. Don't be scared. What you whispering to me? Pour a little bit at a time. I'll tell you when to stop. Just pour slow. Keep pouring. Keep pouring. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, stop. Put it over there. Stir this up. Not too hard. It'll be splattered everywhere. All around there. So you can get the dry breading into the milk. All around. Don't worry about the egg right now. Hold this. Okay, now you see how it's still a lot of dryness. Get that out there. So add a little bit more milk. See, I eyeball it. Milk. I eyeball it. I can't tell you how many cups, how many anything. Okay. Stir it up. Be just stir it until it's the consistency that it should be. And all lumps are out. And if you pour too much milk, just hopefully you have more batter or Jiffy cornbread or whatever you're using to add to it. That's all. Or if you don't have any more Jiffy, you can just add cornmeal or flour to thicken it up, to soak up all the extra milk you guys have. Okay? Now this looks like it's going to be enough. Keep stirring it. You got to get all the lumps out. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Churn, baby, churn. Churn, baby, churn. I'm going to put this in a little cupcake thingy. I'm going to butter, put little pieces of butter at the bottom of there. Yeah, and then once they're done, the little muffin, cornbread muffins, I'm going to put butter on the top, let them cool, and they're going to be ready. Good job, kid.
That's it?
Huh?
That's it?
Nope, keep stirring. I'm going to just stop the camera, but you got to get all the little lumps out. Alright, y'all, do not judge me. Don't talk about my rusted pan, but it is clean. I just put a little dollop of butter in each one. And I'm about to pour the batter. I told Q I can't let him do this when the batter is ready. I'm going to just pour a little bit of batter in each one. Remember, you don't fill it up, guys, because it rises. Batter rises. So you do not need to fill them up.
You think we're going to need more?
Then we're gonna need more, you said?
Yes.
No. Finishing touch, y'all, of my little cornbread muffin. That's the little spot from the batter that we smeared. Mac and cheese. Pepper looks like it's in one spot because I was using literally the last little bit of pepper that was in the thing. And I just got what I can get out. Y'all know I like to, after the cheese melts on top, the shredded cheese, I like to cover it with pepper. So let me show you the pepper. The gravy back there boiling. Just had to turn it down. Hold on so the steam could get out the way. Can you see the cabbage now? Bacon. Seasoned cabbage. It's really good, y'all. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. Dressing. Yummy with chicken and gizzards in it. Y'all, we about to eat good. You hear me? We are about to eat good. Alright, y'all, this is the finishing touch. And baby Sarai smells all this food and she wants it now. Tell me what y'all think. I burnt my cornbread a little bit at the bottom, but it's not too bad. Turkey came out okay. Cutting it up, carving it now. So let me know how you guys' Thanksgiving went, and type in the comment section below and let me know what you guys cooked or what you ate and what you did for Thanksgiving for 2020. COVID is not stopping our fun because we are alone all the time anyway on this day. We may plate hop, you know, here and there, go to the in-laws' house or grandma's house and get a couple plates here and there, but other than that, we stay home. But I just cooked and I'm about to chillax. I don't even feel like eating. Have you guys done that before? I've been tasting like everything as I've been cooking, so I'm not even really hungry right now. Okay, Sarai, we hear you. We hear you. You want some table food now. So, I'm missing a dish. Mashed potatoes, y'all. Y'all want mashed potatoes and gravy? I forgot about the mashed potatoes. They don't have any room. Not even for the sweet potato pie. We'll figure it out. Toodles.